So for those, I'm talking to my people who are 100% serious, who know they can do it, but they just need the right and the best opportunity of all time. And today I am presenting you the single-handed greatest opportunity ever existed in the history of this world. Because the deck is against you. There are too many processes. Why do 97% of the people make less than 3 lakhs? Well, because of this. Most people start over here, then they want to do this, then they struggle over here, and then they stop. And they feel like, oh, holy fuck, there are 100 more steps in front of me. How am I supposed to go ahead and finish all of these? And in that entire process, they just go, they get into this flight or freeze mode, and they just stop implementing. And that's why most people are stuck. Most people are stuck in this entire journey. And today I want to solve this as the biggest problem of all time. There is the biggest opportunity right now that is called as AI agents. And AI agents will literally help you build all of this in one click. What did I say? In one click. You want your niche to be built, it'll be built in a click. You want your offer, your copy, your entire beautiful funnel, like a way better than a person you'll pay a lakh to build a funnel. Your entire landing pages, sequences, automations, your video ads, your image ads, your webinars, your slides, you being in social media, even when you're sleeping, your own videos with your own audios, beautifully edited, automatically posted, all when you are sleeping. Leads are coming in 24/7 like a machine, even when you're sleeping. Them automatically coming, paying you lots and lots of money, even when you're sleeping. And right now, what I'm going to give you, the technology, like what I'm going to show you the technology, it has the ability to literally automate everything, every single thing in just one click. Okay. There came the real estate opportunity like 30, 40 years back. The biggest real estate boom. It was crazy out there. Well, you missed that, my friend. Then there came the internet boom, right? The entire revolution of internet, and you missed that. Then it came the COVID coaches era, where anybody who became a coach in COVID would just normally go out there and print the roads. And you missed that, my friends. Then there came the cheap Facebook ads era, where Facebook ads were ridiculously cheap. Anybody running basic Facebook ads would print crores, and my friend, you missed that also. Then they came the crypto era, where a big boom of crypto came, where anybody would have become a millionaire, and you missed that, my friend. Then came the Bitcoin era. The biggest opportunity was Bitcoin. It skyrocketed like crazy. Another opportunity came in front of you, vanished in front of you, and you missed that, my friend. Then came the era of free AI tools. You missed that, my friend. So every single opportunity that's there to create generational amounts of wealth, you've technically missed all of them. And right now we are sitting on an opportunity that is bigger than all of these combined. And that is called an AI agent. What in the world is AI agent? Give me a 1 in the chats if you want to know the definition of AI agents. Like, what in the freaking world is AI agent, show? Like, what is this entire thing all about? What is the hype all about? All right, well, guys, pay close attention over here, right? I'll give you the most easiest and the most prompt definition of an AI agent. Think of an AI agent like this. See, in the world, agar aapko kuch bhi task karna hai, if you want to do any task in this world, there takes 3 different steps. For example, there takes an input. Yes. There goes for processing. Okay. Processing. And then it comes as an output. Okay. I'll give you an example. There is an input, there is processing, and there is output. Like, for example, if you all know how to cook a Maggi, then its instructions are very simple. What's the input? Input is like, take a pan and put it on that stove. Yes. And take the Maggi, put it inside that. Take some water and put it inside that, and turn on the flame. I'm going to go into the most dumbest language and teach you this, right? What's the processing now? The processing is when it starts to boil the Maggi. The processing is when you put that masala powder inside that. The processing is when it like heats that up and cooks that Maggie for you. And what's the output? The output is that delicious Maggie that you eat that's ready in 2 minutes. Guys, this is called as an AI agent. Matlab, what is an AI agent? Like input, processing, output. This is the way to do anything in this world. You have any task, you want to do anything in this world. This is the process. Now, you add a feedback loop over here. That simply means, listen, whenever you get the output, let's say you go and give a feedback that, hey, listen, the Maggie was very dry this time. I don't want it dry. Let's say that's the feedback. Now that comes back to input and it changes the processing. Now you might add more water or whatever. And that comes as a new output. This is how anything in this world gets done. Whether let it be a job, or you building a funnel, or you building a business, doesn't matter. This is the way everything is done in life. All right. Now, guys, this entire process repeating itself thousands of times. How many times, guys? Repeating it thousands of times in microseconds is called as an AI agent. So, in this case, now if you want to build, let's say, image ads, you want to build reels, even when you're sleeping. And yes, you are in there in the camera with your voice and all these things. You want to build a funnel. You want to build your, let's say, design or your offer or your niche. So, AI agent can do it in a single click. This is the simplest definition of AI agents. Now, when you use AI agents in your business, you'll have more speed than a human can possibly imagine. You'll have more speed than ever. And when you have more speed than ever, you will be able to go out there and produce crores and crores of rupees. Okay. Now, ChatGPT, the thing with ChatGPT is, guys, everybody has ChatGPT, but not everybody is a millionaire. Why? Because ChatGPT has the vaguest data of all time. It has the most terriblest data of all time. Like, how many of you guys have experienced this? You go to ChatGPT, you type something, and the result that you get is like very, very shitty. It's like you're like, man, what a terrible response. Well, why? Because it has terrible data. And tell me something, when you want to build a business and you build quote unquote your business on a terrible data, what happens to your business? Your business dies. And everybody sounds like the same because everybody is using random data from the internet. Okay? So that's why ChatGPT sucks, because it has random data. It doesn't have pointed data. It doesn't have targeted specific data. Right? That's why everybody has ChatGPT, but not everybody is a millionaire.